Late night driving, y'all. It's something about nighttime. I remember being young, I used to be scared of the dark. Now I appreciate it. Get in a lot of trouble at night. Good trouble. Never talk about bad trouble. Good trouble. What's good trouble to you guys? What's good trouble? I'm in traffic. And I was like, let me turn on the camera for my peoples. Should I give you guys a name? Should I give you guys a name? I just don't want to keep saying like that's just so not personal to say my peoples or you guys. You want to give me some names I could call you guys? I'm gonna think of it. I'm pretty clever with things like that. I hope you guys are watching the whole video. I really do. So I do these videos just for you. And I also do them because I like them too. But is everybody subscribed to my other channel? She Burps for You. Do you want me to do videos where I eat? And of course I'm gonna have to burp. Do you want me to do videos like that? Do you want me to do mukbangs with my burps? Tell me what you want. I'm here to please. So beautiful. It's been a long day. How was your day today? What you guys do on this Saturday? It's like Saturdays are not what they used to be. Like, don't get me wrong, I hang out on Saturdays. I do a lot of chilling as well. But it feels like before, you know, when you're young, Saturday come, the weekend is here, it's like you're free. But as an adult, Saturdays is the day before Sunday to prepare for Monday. You know what I mean? Like, it's just not what it should be, where it's just you're doing what you want to do. One thing on the weekends that I make sure I do is I don't put timestamps on anything. I feel like Monday through Friday, I should say Sunday to Friday. It's always about, you know, time. It's about time. It's about scheduling, making sure you're at work on time. You have to do this on time. You have to do that on time. You have to, you know, everything, every hour is accounted for. And you just don't feel like you have enough time within a day. So the weekend, if you're not a person who has to work on the weekend, I usually don't. I just feel that it shouldn't be any time. I get to where I get to when I feel like it, you know. Unless there is appointment set, but then it's still on my terms because I'm going to set the appointment to the time that I want it to be, not the time that somebody else gives to me. If that makes sense. You know? So I make sure the weekends is for me. I make sure it's, you know, it's to do the things that I want to do without having a timestamp on it or obligation, you know. Even when it's time for me to go out, everybody's like, my friends are like, let's meet at this time, or okay, I'll be there. I see y'all. Everybody needs a day of not feeling overwhelmed or not feeling obligated to do something. You need to just make sure that you're in your own space. Everything should not be rushed and forced. It should be some things that just happen naturally. Like when your body is like, I want to do this. I'm a true believer in your body speaks to you. Your body lets you know if there's something brewing. Your body lets you know if you need something. Your body lets you know if a person is not good. Your body lets you know. It's like we are a bowl of energy. Like, but it takes some time for us to get used to what our body is saying, or listen to it, or understand what our body is trying to tell us. There are certain things that we all, those certain feelings that we all understand. But I think for every situation that we encounter, our body kind of throws us signals, and we don't know how to listen to those signals or to interpret those signals. We lose out. Yeah, so I'm trying to really understand my body more, and listen to it. I mean, even the intuition parts, we all have that intuition that we all should tap into. If we could tap into, the energy and that our bodies are filled with, boy, would this world be different, right? Would relationships and communication be different? I mean, everything, communication, relationships, sex, everything would be different. You wouldn't have to find what that person needs. You would feel it. You wouldn't have to find it. You would just feel it. How great would that be? That you didn't have to teach a person, that you guys would just mesh. And if you didn't mesh with that person and your energies didn't go with that person, then you know that person wasn't for you. How easy would that be? Right? Sometimes you get into situations and it's just not for you, and you don't know that. And it takes a while to figure that out. Why waste all that time and energy, right? Yeah, but we're still growing as humans. We're still trying to figure it out. I mean, some people want to, like I do, and then others just like, I don't really give a damn. I don't really care. Why should I care about that? Well, who wouldn't want to tap into something that would make you better, emotionally, physically, holistically? That's my play. I wanna be good holistically. How about you? How about y'all? I'm still thinking about what I should call you guys. Still thinking about that. I don't know. I'm pretty clever. I'll see what I can call you guys. My burpees. Let me know if you like that. That's how I'll know if you stay to the end of the video. Do you like burpees? Answer that question. Would you like me to call you my guys, it's been great. Thank you for taking this drive with me, keeping me company. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to the videos. Make sure you subscribe to She Burps For You. I will leave the link. Oof. I will leave the link below so you guys can subscribe to that channel, because eventually I will stop posting these videos on this channel and only burp on She Burps For You. It's been a pleasure, guys. I see you later.